Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing my hair. I wanted to change it up a bit because I'm tired of like dark hair, so I'm gonna do it at home. I went to Sally's with my sister and we got some lightener. I'm gonna show you guys right now what I got at Sally's. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment if you guys have any questions, or just comment if you want to comment. And if you guys are wondering if this is like a hickey, it's not. I'm taking medicine. I don't know, like it just gave me a rash. I'm not allergic to it, but one of the side effects is like getting rashes. Like it's a normal side effect, so please don't ask me in the comments about that. Okay, so this is the lightener that I got. It's actually the Wella Powder Lightner. It lines up to 7 levels and it's dust free. I don't know if you guys could see it, but this is how it looks. I thought I would try it out. I usually do the Ion Brilliance bright white lightener. That's what I've used, but it has like dried my hair out and I just hate the way it dries it out. But this one, it says that it doesn't, so I'm going to try it out. Hopefully I get up to like a blonde. Maybe I want to go a little bit blonder, like blondish brownish, and I have like black hair dye, so hopefully it goes well. And I'm not a professional, guys, so if you guys do this, do it at your own risk. Like, I'm not a cosmetologist. I don't have my cosmetologist license. This is just based off of my hair, how I do it. And I've watched like tutorials of like people doing hair and classes, so this is just based off of that. But yeah, I'm super excited to use this lightener because I'm like, oh my god, like it's Wella, it should be good. Hopefully it's good. So another thing that I got is this. It's a face mask. No, it's not a face mask, oh my god, it's a hair mask. So this is the Ion after color sealer mask. It seals the hair, so if you color your hair, this basically seals the hair cuticle. And then I got a keratin mask because sometimes my hair, it gets like kind of like dry. It gets a little bit dry, like, and this just makes it like shine. And it's like, I got a keratin treatment at the salon. It's really good. These are only like $2.69, and if you guys want to know the price of this one, it's $22.99 for 454 grams. My sister helped me get it, and she helped me get these masks, so yeah. Thank you, Lupe, for sponsoring this video. Nah, I'm just playing, but yeah. So let's go do my hair. So I just changed into something more comfortable and something that I'm not gonna use anymore because this is gonna be a messy process, to be honest with you guys. I don't want the shirt anymore. So yeah. So this is my sister, if you guys don't know, and if you guys haven't seen her in the other vlogs, this is my older sister, Lupe. So she's gonna be helping me because I need help with this, and yeah, she's really good at helping me with stuff. And yeah, say hi, Lupe.
Hi.
Take off your glasses so they could see your face. Like right now, she just brought me a towel. Thanks. Alright, let's get to it. So I'm putting on some gloves. You're recording, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm putting on some gloves so I don't get burned. So I'm using the 20 Wella Creme developer. We sometimes use this one, but I don't think we'll be using this. But I just have it right there. But this is what I usually use, the 20 developer, if I'm going to dye like dark hair to brown. Sometimes I'll get lighter hair with the 20 developer. So I'm gonna open this. Can you help? Yeah, I think I need help. Nah. No, I don't. Okay. This is my first time using this. Let's see, it comes with a little scoop. Oh shoot. And then, I'm not even nervous to use this because I've used lighteners before. So, this is what it looks like. It looks like powder, like looking like flour. Yeah. So alright, so the camera kind of cut. I don't know, I think I need a new SD card. I'll try to get one, but my camera records in 4K, so I don't know if you guys know about SD cards and if I need a new like SD card for my Canon G7X. Mark III. If you guys know like about SD cards, let me know in the comments.
Like if
please.
you need a 4K one, or
yeah,
what
like
type of SD card.
Do I need more space? I only have like 128 gigabytes, I think. I'm not sure. And it's a class 10 SD card. So anyways, back to the lightener. So I'm just gonna read the directions and then I'm gonna mix it because I don't want to make mistakes, you know. I don't want to end up bald. I want to be safe, and yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take 1 scoop of the powder evenly, and I'm going to put it right here in my bowl, and then so around there. So it's gonna be 2 scoops of developer,
2 ounces.
So I'm just gonna, you know, atinarle for the measurements. It should be around a little bit more around there, and then I'm just gonna mix it with the brush. And I have these hair clips for my hair because I have very thick hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it. So I honestly trust myself with this. I'm more scared when I go to a hairstylist. Even when I get a haircut, like my hairstylist right now, I trust her so much with my hair. And it takes a lot for me to trust the hairstylist because my hair has been messed up so many times. But I think this will go well. I'm gonna do a strand test. So I'm gonna finish mixing this and then we're gonna do the strand test. So the thing that I've seen about lightener is that it can't be too gooey. It has to be like a little bit pasty. Like it just has to be kind of perfect. It can't be too gooey. It just has to be a little bit gooey. But around like this. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong, you know. If you guys have a cosmetology license, go ahead and teach me for free, you know. Alright, so I'm gonna continue mixing this and then strand test. Okay, so if you guys don't know how to do a strand test, you basically get a piece of your hair. It's like about 1 inch.
Don't pull it off, guys.
You guys, yeah, don't pull off your hair. Like, you don't have to pull it off. And basically what you do is you watch the hair, make sure that it doesn't break off, because the last thing that you guys want to do is put on like a color or lightener and then your hair breaks off. Like, I'm not a professional, but this is just my advice. But I usually do a strand test so I know that my hair could handle it. I never go like without a strand test because that's a really bad idea. Like, next thing you know, you freaking lost all your hair. I was like, damn, you fucking lost all your hair. But yeah, so we're gonna do the strand test. So I'm just gonna take a part of my hair. I know it's messy right now, but so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush it. I have a lot of hair, like it's a lot of hair. Like, my hair is really thick. So okay, let's do the strand test. So what you do is you get like around this much hair. So you guys don't need to be scared because it's just a strand test and you watch your hair, you know. You guys don't, you could grab like around this much hair, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna apply the lightener. And sometimes it's scary to try new lighteners, but you just have to watch your hair. As long as you watch your hair, as long as you watch the hair and make sure that, you know, the hair is safe. I always do the strand test around here. Like, I feel safe, like I don't feel scared. So basically you just watch it lighten. And as soon as it starts lightening, like, you guys touch the hair, and if it starts breaking off, like, it's not a good idea to continue. Like, just stop right there, wash it off. Don't do your hair. because I'm gonna go bald and you're gonna really damage your hair. So that's usually what I do, and I just make sure that the hair, even when I'm coloring it, like I make sure that my sister's hair is good, and I'm checking it all the time, like every 30 minutes or every 10 minutes if I don't, I feel like it's, if I feel like it's gonna go bad, but most of the times their hair comes out really good. I've never really like burned my sister's hair off or nothing. Only hairstylists have burned their hair off, but never me. I just find that weird. Me, that I don't have a cosmetology license, weird. But as you guys could see, like the color is lifting. Right here it's brown. I don't know if you guys could see that on the camera. Can they see it on the camera?
Not really.
Oh, well, the color is lifting. And I had black box dye. I think I had like the Espresso from Wella. I don't think I did box dye, but I'm just gonna watch it. And we'll give you an update right now after a couple of minutes. Guys, so this is the update. Lupi, tell them. Lupi. Lupi.
Okay, so her strand test wasn't working out. Like, it's not changing color. So we thought it was just because her hair was darker, but I tried it on my hair and it basically didn't do anything, and it's like doing it like patchy. It's not even getting the whole hair, and right now I rinsed it off and some pieces came off,
so it's not even lightening.
It's not even doing anything at all. Like, you would need to use a hair developer. Even then your hair would probably fall off, because
her hair fell off.
My hair fell off at 20 developer, and it would be patchy, completely patchy. So I would say it's not even worth it.
Okay, so yeah, mine, it didn't lighten at all. Like, as you guys could see, it lightened just a little bit from the bottom, but that is just the hair color that I have under this. So right here it's like getting really dry, like I'm worried about it, and I'm just gonna wash it off. And Lupita tried to mix a different, like with the scoop and everything, so but it didn't work at all. So I'm very disappointed. So I'm gonna go back to the good old handy dandy right here, the freaking Creme lightener. This one, it lifts up to 8 levels, and this one, it has the keratin for superior conditioning. Like, I don't know if the hairstylists are just trying to scare me that, oh, like, don't bleach your hair at home, but every time I've done it, like, I've gotten almost too blonde on, and
The first try.
yeah, the first try. Oh my god. So I've done my hair, like, I'm gonna include pictures right here of how it looked, and this is how I got it with this. I never got it with this. So, but this one, it activates right away. It's like freaking I think around 20 minutes you could see that it's already lightening up to like a level brown. I don't know, level brown. I don't know how to speak hair. But when I have really dark hair like this, in like 10 minutes or 20 minutes it lightens up to a light brown, like my sister's hair. So this sucks. It's been 30 minutes and it hasn't even done anything. Like, I'm so disappointed. And this one's $8.69 and the other one's $22.99. So I'm like,
Wait a minute.
this one works way better. And I remember selling some on OfferUp. One of the ones that I did have, like, I had an extra, so I sold it to a girl, and she was going from really dark hair to a blonde. Like, she was doing like half blonde right here and then a black. So this one is really good. I love it. I don't think it's been drying my hair. I just think I have like naturally, like, sometimes drying hair because it's so humid right here, but I think it's fine. Like, I don't think it's drying. Like, this is drying.
And then
This was drying.
then also we noticed that
I'm gonna watch this shit.
well, I hadn't her face was getting itchy, but I was like, no, my face is fine. But right now that I was like getting closer to like the 20-minute mark on my strand of hair, I started noticing that my face got itchy on this side where I put the bleach. So I don't know, I wouldn't do that because, or lightener, whatever. I don't speak hair, sorry. But yeah, so I noticed it right here. I started getting a little bit itchy, so I would just not mess with that. If it's even right here,
Giving it like an allergic reaction.
yeah, like an allergic reaction. It's not even touching me, it's just from the fumes coming from it. And the other one, like, it's fine. We didn't have trouble with it, so
I feel like my
honestly, I don't know.
hairstylist is just lying to me. Like my hairstylist, when I tell him that I do my own hair, like, well, whatever. Like, I think I'm fine. Like, I'll take my own advice for that. And I've always gone from black to brown to a little bit more blonde by myself, and nothing has ever happened, honestly. With this one, it's like my go-to. I love this. This is my go-to. I'm never gonna try the L'Oreal one because I'm scared. The True Blue or whatever it's called.
How do you?
But
I don't know how. Oh, there it is. Creme lightener.
So I'm hating the Wella one. I regret it. I had high expectations. Like, I was all ready to use it, but I guess back to the other one. So yeah, so that was my adventures of the Wella thing. So if you guys are a cosmetologist, let me know, like, am I doing this wrong, or
This is just a bad product.
and don't freaking lie to me and just tell me that I need to go to a hairstylist, because
Or if it's just for like hair that's already like lighter than ours,
or is it for virgin
like
hair?
blonde or just virgin hair.
Like, is it for only virgin hair? Like, is this not meant for box color? Like, well, I didn't use box color. I used Wella Espresso.
Oh, bye.
Good riddance. Good riddance. Guys, so I'm gonna shower. This was the result of the Wella Lightener. It feels like it dried my hair, to be honest. With the other lightener, it doesn't do this, so I'm just gonna wash it off because I got like an allergic reaction to it. Like, my cheek got itchy. Like, good thing I only did a strand test. And like, my feet got itchy too, like from around my knee. Like, my skin got itchy, so I don't think it's safe for me to use it. I think I'm just gonna go to Sally's and do my hair probably tomorrow, hopefully, and I'm gonna lighten it. But yeah, I'm like disappointed. I'm like, ugh. And I'm gonna wash it off ASAP because, yeah, allergic reaction to it. So I'll see you guys after I shower. So guys, bad news. I freaking dropped my camera. I freaking snatched it from Lupita and I freaking dropped it on the floor. So now my flash doesn't work, so I'm gonna have to go to Best Buy to see if they could fix it. Oh, hopefully they could fix it. And the focus is kind of off. Like, I'm really disappointed right now. I guess it's not meant to be right now. I don't know if I should I'll probably just see if I could still light my hair. Hopefully they could fix my camera quick, but if not, I'll probably just show you guys with my phone. And yeah, so ending this sad video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully it's a better video than this. And yeah, sorry if I sound so sad. It's because I love my camera and it's so important to me. It's so important to me. I love this camera. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.